Now let's look at the architecture. Hopefully this will give you a good overview of how the various components in the project all fit together and how we pass data and commands from one component to another. No rocket science with regards to components. We start out with your Alexa device, which then sends the request to the skill handler, which is executing in AWS Lambda. The skill handler then calls a RESTful web service, and that web service can run anywhere and can be implemented in any way as long as it implements our RESTful API. If you use the provided sample implementation of the web service, then OpenHAB becomes the provider of this web service. And OpenHAB in turn then calls Harmony Hub, and Harmony Hub then finally passes the command on to the actual entertainment device. Where would these components be located? Well, let's work our way backwards. The entertainment devices like a TV obviously would be located in your home. The Harmony Hub also has to be located in your home because it's communicating through infrared with the entertainment devices, so that has to be local. And then commonly the OpenHAB installation would also be local with the Harmony Hub, i.e. in your home again, frequently running on devices like a Raspberry Pi. Our skill handler is running within AWS. And finally, your Alexa device, of course, is in your home again. So overall, we're going from the Alexa, from your home to AWS, to the skill handler, and then back to your home with OpenHAB, Harmony Hub, and entertainment devices. And here's the command flow between our components. The Alexa device is generating an intent and is passing that on to our skill handler in AWS Lambda. The skill handler then is generating a REST call and thereby is invoking our web service, which is implemented by OpenHAB. OpenHAB then is invoking the binding that we have registered for our thing, the thing being the Harmony Hub. And the Harmony Hub then is finally invoking the infrared command on the entertainment device. And last but not least, let's take a look at the command data that is passed with each execution step. Alexa captures a device or a button in spoken form as expressed by the user, and then passes it on to our skill handler. The skill handler then converts the device into a device ID based on our slotting mechanism. And if the handler receives a button, then it maps the button to a global button ID out of all the buttons that are supported in the system, and then maps the global button ID to a device-specific command based on our button map. So the general button, as expressed by the user, is mapped to a device-specific command by the skill handler and then passed on to the web service. OpenHAB then converts the device ID to a Harmony Hub device so that Harmony Hub can understand which device we're talking about. For a command, OpenHAB passes that command directly through to the Harmony Hub. And finally, the Harmony Hub can then execute the command by sending it to the entertainment device. I hope this made it easier to understand how all the pieces in this project fit together.